central Marquette County in north central Upper Michigan until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Channing.
This is going to be a
18
double
miles
header.
east of Crystal Falls, moving east
It
at
is. This is going to
45
be
miles
awesome.
per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northern Dickinson and south central Marquette counties, including the following locations: Northland, Anderson Lake, Royale, Silver Lake near Channing, and Arnold. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 470,
Looked like it.
effective until Central Daylight Time.